often get asked, how do you apply 3M? Oh, I've lost my 3M. We often get asked from customers how to apply my 3M adhesive to my acrylic sheet. 3M adhesive will work very much like double-sided tape, so all you need to do is peel and stick. Your 3M adhesive or your dual-tite adhesive will have two sides. It will have a branded side with the branding masking on it, and then the back side will be a plain white masking. There is no front and there is no back. Your acrylic sheet will have brown paper masking on both sides, or in some cases it might have a plastic film on one side and plain masking on the back. The side that you apply your 3M adhesive or dual-tite adhesive to is dependent on your design. For this acrylic, both sides are shiny, so it would be no front and back. If I was using a matte acrylic where the front one side was matte and one side was shiny, I would apply the 3M adhesive to the back side. My preference would be the back side being the shiny side so that the matte would be face up. All I would do is remove the brown paper masking on my acrylic piece and replace it with 3M adhesive. I'm going to remove one side of the masking for my 3M adhesive and then stick it on the area I'm lasering. When I laser my 3M adhesive, I'm going to put it 3M side up and mirror my design. I'm going to mirror my design because I'm cutting from the back side. That way the back side is on the 3M. Here I am applying dual-tite adhesive to a larger piece of acrylic to show how it could be done with larger pieces. Dual-tite adhesive is going to work the same way as our 3M adhesive. The only difference is it's not recommended for outdoor use. So if you're doing a project that's going to be outdoors, I definitely recommend keeping with 3M adhesive. The dual-tite adhesive, just like the 3M, it's going to have a branded side and an unbranded side for the masking. There's no right or wrong side. My acrylic sheet, which I already removed the masking for, has a front side which is more detailed. It has glitter on it, and then the back side. The back side is more muted, so I can easily tell which side I'm going to use for the front on my design. I'm going to lay the acrylic back side up, and then I'm going to apply my dual-tite adhesive by removing a small layer right there. I'm going to line it up into the area I want, and then just gently and slowly remove the white backing. I can make sure it's all nice and flat by rubbing my hand over it. I've also cut myself this little flat piece of acrylic that I like to use, and I can just rub my acrylic over it just to make sure it's nice and flat. So then once I have my dual-tite adhesive on my piece of acrylic, I'm going to put it in my laser dual-tite side up. And then I'm going to remember to mirror my design because I'm cutting from the back side. So that's always important to do, is always to remember to cut 3M or dual side up, and then mirror your design because you're cutting from the back side. Once you're done cutting, all you need to do is remove the other side of the adhesive and you stick it to the item that you need it to be stuck to. I hope that helps you guys.